Alright guys, I just bought myself 5 TVs. What you said? Oh. Eh? Eh? Who's saying oh? Can you tell us their name?
Hi, I'm Natoya Shakespeare.
Natalia Shakespeare.
Yes,
You can't.
just got my deliveries
She
here.
just got her. You sure it's your delivery?
They're all mine.
I remember these are my 5 TVs. You know, folks.
They're all mine.
Miss Shakespeare trying to take away my TV, but you know what? I'm gonna allow you to take the TVs. Alright? How you like the service so far?
Good.
She like the service, it's good,
Very
guys.
good. Yeah.
Alright, awesome. On behalf of the company, I want to tell you thank you so much for using
You're
our
welcome.
services. And I am glad you have 2 out of these 5 TVs, alright?
Oh. All right. Thank you.
Alright guys, catch you later. And where are we?
Oh, this
Sunshine
is
City.
yes. Greater Portmore.
Portmore guys, bye. All of my Portmore folks.